Hi guys, recently these AI car wrapping videos are going viral. Many people are wondering how to make the cool effect and follow the new AI niche. In this video, I will share 3 methods including free ways. Let's get started. Method 1. Gemini Omni Flash. Firstly, copy the full prompt from Google Docs. You can find the prompt link in the description. Then open ChatGPT, paste the prompt in the dialog, and submit. It will automatically provide 10 ideas for you. Choose the idea you like and submit. There you will get the video prompt in seconds. After that, open Google Flow. I will put the official access link in the description. Click on New Project. Paste the video prompt here. Choose Video Model, 9:16 aspect ratio, and select the Omni Flash model. 10 seconds. Then click on Generate. After a while, the video is generated. Method 2. HitPaw VikPea. In this method, we want to use HitPaw VikPea. Use the AI video generator function. Select text to video. Choose Cadence 2.5 or 2.0 model. Both have cool performance. Then paste the video prompt in the box. Customize the duration to 10 seconds and further set the resolution and aspect ratio. Finally, click on Generate, and there it creates cool videos like this one in high quality. Method 3. AI Marvels. This method is more ideal for mobile devices. We can launch the AI Marvels app. Go to AI Lab, choose AI Video Card. Choose the second icon. We need to prepare an image first. Take this one for example. You may ask AI to generate a car image as the first frame and import it here. Then similar with the previous 2 methods. Paste the video prompt here. Select Cadence 2.0 as the video model. Tap Generate. When it is completed, a cool car wrapping video is ready. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.